Hey everyone, today I want to talk to you about something specific to truck accident serious personal injury claims, and that is the importance of obtaining the black box of the truck that you were involved in the accident with. What does the black box tell you as it relates to your truck accident personal injury claim? Well, it can tell you a host of things about the truck driver himself and about the actual truck itself that you were involved in the motor vehicle collision with. Some of the things that a black box can tell you are how many times that truck driver has stopped before the accident happened, how many times the truck driver accelerated and decelerated before the accident happened, how fast the truck was going at the time the accident happened, how many times the truck has been maintained or has been repaired or worked on within a certain period of time before the accident you were involved in with the truck driver happened. It could tell you how many times the truck driver has actually taken breaks to sleep or rest before the accident happened. And you got to remember, truck drivers, and specifically truck drivers who are driving 18-wheelers, have a host of guidelines and federal regulations that they need to abide by, and the trucking company needs to abide by while they are driving a truck such as an 18-wheeler. It is important also to know that the insurance companies for the trucking companies, they know this. They know the importance of a black box to a injured victim for their truck accident personal injury claim, and they'll do whatever they can to bleed it, modify it, or flat out get rid of it. Usually, the injured victim bringing the personal injury claim against the truck driver, the trucking company itself, will only have about 30 days to get their hands on that black box and preserve it as evidence. You need to do this with an experienced truck accident personal injury lawyer because they will know how difficult it is. They will subpoena everybody they need to. And I can rest assure you that the experienced truck accident personal injury lawyer will do this sooner than later to send out a preservation letter and try to get their hands on that black box, which is so critical to the truck accident claim. If you or a loved one knows somebody who are thinking about bringing a truck accident personal injury claim, feel free to call me. I'm happy to discuss with you anything you'd like about this. Thank you.